Are you ready to take on the world of cybersecurity? In this video, we'll break down the roadmap to becoming a cybersecurity specialist in a few detailed steps. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your career, this guide is for you. Before you dive into cybersecurity, you need a solid understanding of information technology. This is the foundation for everything you'll learn moving forward. Start by learning about networking. Understand how data travels across networks, how routers and switches work, and what protocols like TCP/IP are. Learn about operating systems, especially Windows, Linux, and Mac, since security often involves securing these systems. Also, dive into programming basics. While you don't need to be a coding expert, languages like Python, Bash, or PowerShell are used daily in cybersecurity. Understanding how code works helps you identify vulnerabilities and automate security tasks. Learn about cybersecurity fundamentals. Now that you have the IT basics down, it's time to focus specifically on cybersecurity principles. This includes learning about security tools, best practices, and real-world threat prevention strategies. Start with understanding common types of attacks, like phishing, ransomware, and DDoS, distributed denial of service. Learn the key concepts of encryption, firewalls, VPNs, virtual private networks, and multi-factor authentication, MFA. These tools are the core of your defense against attackers. It's also important to understand the idea of defense in depth, which is about layering security measures to protect sensitive data. This concept will help you build a robust cybersecurity posture for organizations. Get certified. Certifications are critical in cybersecurity. They not only validate your knowledge, but also make you stand out in a crowded job market. Start with entry-level certifications like CompTIA Security Plus. This will give you a good grounding in cybersecurity fundamentals. Once you're comfortable, consider advancing to more specialized certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker or Certified Information Systems Security Professional. Certifications like CISSP are highly respected and can open doors to managerial roles. The more you learn, the more certifications you can pursue, like Certified Cloud Security Professional or CompTIA Cybersecurity Analyst. Gain hands-on experience. Cybersecurity is a practical skill. You can't just learn theory. You need hands-on experience to become proficient. Start by setting up a virtual lab. You can use tools like VirtualBox or VMware to create isolated environments and test security tools and techniques safely. Use platforms like Hack the Box or Try Hack Me to participate in real-world capture the flag challenges. These will allow you to apply what you've learned in simulated but realistic scenarios. Don't just read about security, practice it. Play around with different security tools like Wireshark, Kali Linux, or Nmap. Use these to analyze network traffic, scan for vulnerabilities, and conduct penetration testing. Stay updated and networked. Cybersecurity is constantly evolving, with new threats and technologies emerging every day. To stay relevant in the field, you must commit to continuous learning and networking. Follow trusted cybersecurity blogs and websites like Krebs on security, dark reading, and Security Weekly. Subscribe to industry newsletters to keep track of new developments. Join communities and attend conferences like Black Hat, DEF CON, or B-Sides. Networking with professionals in the field will keep you up to date on the latest threats and trends. It's also a great way to learn from others' experiences. Start applying for jobs. Once you have the skills, certifications, and hands-on experience, it's time to start applying for jobs. Look for entry-level positions like Security Analyst, SOC Analyst, or Penetration Tester. These roles will give you valuable real-world experience and help you build a career path in cybersecurity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who might be interested in cybersecurity. Stay ahead of the curve and join us on Apersent for more valuable content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Good luck on your cybersecurity journey, and we'll see you in the next one.